Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning Chinese through popular C-drama OST 月下 or Under the Moon by Bu Cai. I chose this song because I like it after hearing it in the C-drama Moonlight Mystique. I will be singing the song myself just like the previous videos. I will be breaking down two parts of the song so that you can learn Chinese easily. 记得那片月下，一生一次开的花，记得那句牵挂，可惜来不及回答。记得 is remember. Na is that. Pian is used to describe an object that is a flat surface. Yue is moon. So it's trying to say that the moon is like a flat surface. Xia is under. For Chinese, the preposition is usually behind the noun. So it's 月下 means under the moon. Yi is one. Sheng is lifetime or life. Yi is one again. Ci is time. 一次 is one time. Cai is bloom. Because after that there's hua, which is flower. If not, usually Cai will be open. Hua is flower. De is used to connect the noun and the adjective or the description. So hua, flower, is the noun. Cai is the description. So the flower that bloom. Jide is again remember. Na is that. Ji is line or sentence. Qiangua is the feeling of concern or worry or care. And the person is at the back of your head. Kesi is a pity or regrettably or unfortunately. 来不及 is too late. not enough time, or never got a chance to. 回答 is reply or answer. For this line, the description can also be 一生一次开, which means blooming once in a lifetime, and the noun is still flower. So using the 的 to connect the description and the noun is a flower that blooms once in a lifetime. 那一年，那一年，花开不知落的叶，就怕秋风翻开思念，它已卷卷一片片。那一年，那一年，月下飞花已满天，落入泥土埋藏思念，深深堆叠。有一年，那 is again that. Is one, 年 is year. It can also be that year since there's only 1 year. 那一年 that year or that 1 year. 花 is flower. Cai is bloom. Usually Cai is open. Bu is no, not, no or do not. Zhi is no. So 不知 is do not know. Law is fall or drop. Yeah is leaf. The is used to connect the description and the noun. Yeah, leaf is the noun. Luo fall is the description. So the leaf that fall. Jiu is only or just. Pai is scared or afraid. Chiu is autumn. Feng is wind. Fan Kai is flip open. Si Nian is the feeling of missing someone. Ta is it. He is one. 卷 is roll or scroll. 一卷卷 is one scroll after another scroll. 一 is again one. 片 is sheet or pieces. So 一片片 means one piece after another or one sheet after another. 那一年 is that one year or that year. 那一年 again that one year or that year. 月 is moon. 下 is under. The preposition, as previously mentioned, is after the noun instead of before the noun in English. 飞 is fly. 花 is flower. 一 is already. 漫天 Man is few. 天 is sky. 漫天 means fill the sky. Luo is drop or fall. 入 is into. So 落入 is drop into. 泥土 is soil. 埋藏 is bury and hide. 埋 is bury, 藏 is hide. 思念 is again the feeling of missing someone. 深 is deep, 深深 it becomes deeply. 堆叠 is to stack, pile up, or put layer by layer on top. 又 is again. 一年 is 1 year. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint.